Hello everyone, I am Abhishek. So today we are going to start our journey of learning Angular with the latest version, that is an Angular 18. Uh, Today we will have only introduction part that we will discuss on the points of the power of the Angular 18. So let's jump into the next part, that is an Angular. What is an Angular? That we all know that it's a web framework. By using Angular, developers will create dependable web apps, mobile app, and with the help of an Angular, you can simply optimize your development process with the help of the toolkit and libraries Angular provide. That will maintained by the Google, as we all know. And so, by using an Angular, we can create dependable and quick to launch applications uh, that will grow along with the team or code base. Means we will start with the small code base and then we'll make it a large application. So next we have the quick points that we all know, that the power of the Angular 18, that that we all know that the Angular is a component based model approach code base, and with the help of the dependency injection, that will change in Angular 18. In the previous version, the dependency injection method or syntax is different, and in Angular 18 it will get different. We will get to see in the next videos through our the learning process. And we will and the most recent thing we all know in an Angular 18 is introduce the power of the signals. That is very important for us to read the values from parent to child or child to parent. And this is also we have the SSR and SSG, hydrated next generation deferred loading. Deferred loading, we will look into this. What is the deferred loading? When we will move the next step of this tutorial. Mm. And we have the official modules of forms, routing, and other functionalities Angular provides us. With the help of the build, we can build, serve, test, deploy by using the Angular CLI easily. So we will look into all these parts as we going on this tutorial. So to start the tutorial, we prior to beginning just look into the things that what is the JS classes, TypeScript fundamentals, TypeScript decorators. This is all the basics things that we know, the what is an HTML, CSS, what is the JavaScript, all these things. So get into the little bit initial knowledge of all these things. Further, we will look into the more deeply in the next part. And this is the new look. This is the first look of an Angular 18 when we create a new project that is very much different in from the earlier version of Angular. We have the all the files with Angular.json, style.main.ts, app roots.ts file that is new integrated, and we also have the config file.ts. So we will always look into the file uh, when we start our development process, what is why we are using this file and all this. So in the next post we will move on one step ahead to learn the Angular 18, and I love that to get the feedbacks from you, so that I will improve in the next videos. So thank you.